Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a brave tortoise named Toby and a swift hare named Harry. Introduce characters. Toby was slow and patient, while Harry was swift and agile. Describe characters. One day, a golden apple was hanging high in a tall tree. Harry, seeing it, boasted, "I can reach it in a blink." Introduce conflict. Toby, with a kind smile, said, "Let's try, Harry. I will help you." Introduce kindness. Harry, full of confidence, climbed up the tree, but slid down and landed with a thud. Twist. Toby, being patient, climbed slowly and carefully, reached the apple, and shared it with Harry. Resolution. Harry, surprised, said, "I thought I was swift, but I learned that patience and perseverance can help achieve goals." Dialogue. Highlight vocabulary. From that day forward, Harry and Toby became the best of friends, always learning from each other. Conclusion. The end. Closing. As they slept, the forest whispered stories of their friendship, teaching all the other animals about bravery, patience, and perseverance. Final image. Instilling values.